Tori. So, quickly, I know my skin isn't looking that hot. I have a pimple coming in here, and I just popped one here, and I have like a black hit on my lip, like right here. And it hurts really bad, but I can't get anything to come out of it. So, like, it hurts, and my nose is disgusting because blackheads. But it's okay, we're gonna be fine. Like, I'll cry on the inside while my face looks like trash on the outside. On that note, today I'm going to be doing a like chatty-ish video plus trying out new products. I got these two palettes for Christmas. This lipstick also for my boyfriend for Christmas. And as you guys have already seen my unboxing, I got this from my best friend for Christmas. So I haven't tried any of this stuff yet. I did use the Bling Boss palette on my boyfriend because I wanted to try it out, and it did not look good at all. So I'm gonna try it today, and if it doesn't look good, I'm gonna probably cry because this is the palette I was most excited about. But yeah, anyways, today's gonna be like a chatty video as it's already chatty, and I'm gonna be trying out new products, talking to you guys about some stuff. Also, I'm gonna go for like a blue purple ice queen kind of look. If the Jaclyn Hill palette doesn't work out, I'm gonna just use my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, but fingers crossed. Okay, this is already 2 minutes long, so let's get started. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, working towards 600 really close, and let's get started. Okay, so I primed one eye because I want to see how it turns out, and then like if I don't like it or something, I don't know. I just want to not do both eyes and then be mad. So I'm gonna start with my Beach Cosmetics palette because I want to use one blue shade. It's gonna be like a blue purple look. So I'm gonna go in with this light blue right here, and I'm taking a brush that already has a bunch of blue on it because I seem to use blue a ton in the Christmas/winter time. I don't know why, but I do. I think the lighting looks pretty good in my opinion right now. It's a little bit yellow, but it'll get better, hopefully. So I'm taking that above my crease. So, yeah. We're gonna talk about school, mostly probably in this video. But today is the 12th of December, so it's a Wednesday. And I have exams all next week because, well, I wouldn't have them all next week, but my math teacher isn't going to be at school the days we're supposed to have exams. Like, we have school Monday through Friday, but we have exams Wednesday through Friday. So like the two, like Monday and Tuesday, we're supposed to like review and revise and stuff like that. But his wife is having a baby. So, like, he's gonna leave a few days early so that he can be with his wife because she's supposed to give birth, like, next week or next weekend or something. So he's, like, taking off early. I'm gonna go in with a tiny bit of Sparks just to, I don't know, I'm gonna mix that with Mystic and a little bit of a light purple from the Beach palette. But anyways, I have my math exam on Monday and Tuesday. He's splitting it into 2 class periods. And then I have my English, not math, so I have to stay at school because we're not allowed to like have an exam, then leave the school, and then go back for another exam. So I have to stay there for 2 hours and do nothing. I'll probably like read a book or something. But I have to do that, and then I have a health exam on Monday, and then on Tuesday I have my history exam, my foods exam, and my Spanish exam. And I don't have to take science on Friday because I have 2 A's in that class, like for the first 9 weeks and the second 9 weeks. And if like all teachers did it like that, I literally wouldn't have to take an exam in any class like at all, because I have all A's all the time. So I'm kind of annoyed that all teachers don't do that, but at least I don't have to go to school at all on Friday. So like that's nice. I technically get off on Thursday, but I'm like trying to film videos for next week because 1, I'm going to babysit this weekend, so I'll have good internet, and 2, I'm going to be busy because I'm going to be studying every single night for exams. But I'm so ready for Christmas break and for like actual Christmas. Like I like getting gifts, but I really like watching everyone else open their gifts too. So I'm like super excited. So now that I've talked your ear off for 3 minutes and 40 seconds, I'm going to figure out what I want to do probably, and then I'll explain it to you guys. So yeah. Okay guys, so right now this liner on this eye is drying, but this is what the first eye looks like. I did like a crown type of thing. I don't know, I like the way that it looks. It looks like an ice queen in my opinion. Okay, so to explain what I've done, pretty much I put a light blue, and then I put a dark purple, and then I put a turquoisey color in between to like transition them. And then I cut my crease and I put on Glitz and Glam, which is this shade right here from the Bling Boss palette. And then I took my NYX blue liner and I just literally like started in the beginning and I just went up, and then I made this one a little bit taller, and then I went up and then up again. And then I'm going to go in and fill in like the peaks with the shimmer shade that I used. And I'm just going to pack it in until it's like actually pigmented. And then after that, I'm going to use a tiny bit of glitter glue and go in with this gorgeous glitter from House of Sparkles in the shade Frostbite. And that's literally it. Like, it wasn't really super hard, but it was time consuming. Oh my god. Okay, so this look has taken me at least an hour already. I keep getting distracted because I found this new YouTuber I really like. I've been watching her this whole time that I've been filming. Her name is Erin Rose. I'll show you guys her channel. I think I'm gonna message her because like I love her so much, but look, she's so pretty and I love her. I love her so much, and I just entered her in one of her friends' giveaways, and oh my god guys, like the stuff that you can win in it, oh my god, I want to win so bad. I haven't even started my face. I'm not doing foundation like always. I never do foundation just because like it's just too much for my skin, especially because my skin doesn't really like me very much right now. So we're not gonna do that whole fiasco, but I am gonna put on like concealer and stuff like always. So I wanted to talk to you guys about like people at school, and as I've told you guys like plenty of times, like I don't talk about people, I literally stay in my own bowl. And so when like people try and start stuff and people are like mean to me, I'm like, I don't understand. Like I don't talk to you, I don't talk about you. What is the point in people being mean? I don't understand. So like, if any of you guys are having like problems at school or anything, like just text me, like I'm gonna be nice. Like, well, I guess DM me on like Instagram, because that's your best chance of me getting back to you. Because I'm on Instagram the most. But like seriously, like you can message me, I will respond. Like I'm not gonna be mean, I'm gonna try and help you and be nice. But people who are mean like they don't have hearts, and those people are jealous, or they just make themselves happy by being mean, and those aren't nice people. Like those are not good people. Okay, so I used my new Jeffree highlighter in mint condition, and it's like a lot more green than I thought. I thought it would be a little bit more blue toned, but it's pretty green, so I'm just going to, I guess, put some of that on, and then I'm gonna go in with a ton of ColourPop. I think it's like Here Kitty Kitty or something. Now I'm just going to put that on top to make it a little more wearable. Like, it's still green, but you know, not so crazy. Like, it looks a little bit more wearable now, I guess. Not really, like literally I just have green streaks on my face, but I think if I turn my face like to one side when taking pictures, it won't look so crazy. Go in with Can't Relate. And a darker lip liner on the outside. So I'm going to do a glossy lip. So I'm going to put, okay, the Addiction lip liner from Rimmel on the outer lip line area, and then Can't Relate from Jeffree Star, and then Fairy Floss gloss from ColourPop. Okay, finally, all done. This look took seriously so long, but I really like it. The Jeffree highlighter kind of makes me look sick in the face a little bit, and I don't really like it that much, but I just know for future not to use it. Like, from the side it looks pretty, but like dead on it does not look good, but now I know. So that's it for this tutorial slash get ready with me slash first impressions. This look has taken me way too long. I have got to take pictures, go shower, and make dinner. So I love you guys so much. Make sure you go check out Erin Rose. I love her. I'm, you know, I don't know. Yeah, so I love y'all so much. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and I will see you babies next time. Bye, guys.
Sí, sí, sí.